Hi, and welcome to the third season of Come Live. It's Come-azing. Today we're at Mobius Motors and we want to hear about the innovation in the automotive sector. Come. Hello again.
Hey, welcome. How are you doing?
Thank you.
Well, I'm John Kavila Kwinga. Welcome to Mobius Motors. I'm the technical director here. It will be my pleasure to show you through some of our products here in the
Great,
show.
let's go.
Okay, let us start here with the first generation Mobius II. This was our proof of concept vehicle that we started building back in 2014. We produced 50 of these, and with a high level of local content. One of the key things, this was about 8 could carry 8 passengers to a front and then 6 at the back. Let me walk you around through it. So some of the leaf suspension, local, we produce those with some of our local partners. As you can see here at the back, we've got, you can fold these so you can carry goods or you can carry people. And so you can adjust it as you need. Yes. If we come here into the driver, you can see fairly simple. And one of the key things just shows you a very simple dashboard that we're able to manufacture and produce locally. Simple dashboard which is easy to fix and repair with any particular issues. I'll talk a little bit more about some of the improvements we've done since. Here, this is the Mobius III. So this is the big brother for all of them. And this is a much larger SUV. It's a bigger engine, it's a 2-liter turbo, and brings a lot of more premium features for the customers who are looking for a larger vehicle. So as you can see, it's got very good ground clearance, 4-wheel drive, independent front suspension and multi-link suspension here at the rear. Yes, now one of also the unique features with this vehicle is you can remove the roof panels. So you can have this and this removed independently, which kind of gives you that open air feel as you're driving. And a very quick look inside, you can see sort of the premium and sort of updated features in comparison to where we started. Sort of much more plush seats, much more premium feel for the dashboard, big infotainment that is also within the car.
Wow, looks amazing. What an amazing day it has been at Mobius Motors. Innovation in the automotive sector. Buy Kenya, build Kenya. Guess what? Taking my first ride on the Mobius car. Ready to go?